Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Coach Pillow Madison Shoulder Bag 18. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on.
Okay, so I did put this purse back in the box, but I did already carry it twice. So yeah, I need to just give a disclaimer first. I got my Invisalign in. I only got the bottom row. I am like a week with my Invisalign, and sometimes I feel like I'm talking different, but for the most part I feel like I'm talking normal. So I just feel like I gotta give that disclaimer just in case somebody's like, why does she sound different, or why is she talking like that? I don't know. I feel like I'm talking normal, or I talk normal, but I wanted to say that. And also shout out to Carla because she's been writing me under my last video where I reviewed the Coach purse, the Pillow Madison, just the regular size that they have out right now. She did let me know that the Pillow Madison 18 came out, so shout out to her. Because like we've been talking under the comments, and so I'm just so thankful that she let me know that this purse came out. So I just wanted to say thank you. But I have I have the purse in this box. I did already carry it. So this weekend, for Memorial Weekend, I did take a trip to Charlotte, North Carolina, to visit a friend. We said we're gonna have to make that an annual trip because this is my second time coming for Memorial Weekend. So when I heard that this purse came out, I was like, y'all got a Coach store? Which I knew they had one. So I went and got this purse from Charlotte, and I did carry it over the weekend, if I didn't say that already. But this purse does come with a dust bag. And I don't know if I said the last one came with a dust bag as well. I don't know if I said that in the video or not, but I'm gonna make sure that I have that video linked down in the description box below. But y'all, everything. So I want to start off by saying that this purse comes in 4 different colors right now. Comes in like this pink, like a key lime yellow color, comes in black, and then it comes in aqua. Of course, y'all, if you've been watching me, you do know, like I've been stating, pink has been my color lately, so everything has been having to be pink. So like I knew I knew I wanted this purse. Now I am gonna do a comparison, y'all. This purse is smaller than this one. I just wanted y'all to see that. So this purse retails for $3.95, and the other purse that I showed y'all retails for $4.95. So one thing I said when I went to the Coach store, I was like, so this purse is only $100 cheaper. I honestly feel like it should have been at least $200 cheaper because it is half of the size of the other one. But I just couldn't pass it up because, for one, I want a pink purse, and then I just feel like this purse is perfect. Now this purse does have some of the same detailing as the other one, like you know, it has the Coach focus. It does have the Coach right here and right here, just like on the other purse. It does have the back flap, or a back little pocket area, but the only thing, the smaller version of the purse does not have like a magnet right here, so it doesn't have that magnet. In the front, it does look exactly the same. And then of course you can carry this purse 2 different ways. You can carry it, you know, like this, and that'll make for a crossbody, or you can do the straps like this and just carry it on your shoulder. Then the purse also has this Coach tag. If you open the purse, it does not have the front flap like the other one, or the front pocket. This is what the purse looks like in the inside. You do have a inside pocket, and inside pocket comes with care instructions. So, and then it does have like a little, this is the price tag in there. It does have like a little like pocket right here. The description for this purse is Napa leather, 2 credit card slots, inside zip pocket, turn lock closure, fabric lining, outside slip pocket, handles convert to shoulder strap, which I showed y'all. And then the editor's notes, this Madison is a timeless style with modern proportions designed for work, weekends, and everyday life takes you crafted. And everyday life takes you crafted of quilted plush, ultra soft leather. This compact 18 is finished with multi-function pockets, an exterior slip pocket for easy access to essentials, and our tonal signature turn lock closure. Convert the leather chain strap from long to 2 short straps. So I didn't even realize with reading that this is actually a credit card slot. So you can actually put your cards. It has like 3 pockets right here. That's a better look. So it has like 3 slits, so you can put like 3 different cards. So if you're going out, instead of carrying your wallet, you can actually put like your ID and your card or whatever. So I didn't even realize that. So I'm gonna show y'all what I can get inside this bag, and then I'm gonna come back with my final review. So right now, this has been my everyday bag. I actually have been carrying this bag probably after I did a review or showed y'all. I have had my stuff in here. I've been carrying it, and I know you are wondering like about the wear of this bag, especially with the color and everything, which if you can see, we still holding up good. And I've been carrying this bag for the most part non-stop. It's been my everyday bag, but I did carry this bag twice for a night out. So I'm just gonna show y'all some of what you can get in here or what fits. Now, when I went in the Coach store, I did purchase a wallet, or is this like a card holder? I don't know, a small wallet, because it has the cards and my ID. I don't want to show y'all my but I have my ID in here, and then I have my card as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put my cell phone in here, and then let's see, my lip gloss. Gotta have a lip gloss. And then I would carry my mirror, because you always got to be able to look at yourself. And y'all will be proud to know that I did go to Bath and Body Works and buy like some purse size lotion. So I don't have the big one anymore. I'm really trying to just downsize and get purse appropriate stuff. So y'all be proud to know that. So I'm gonna stick that in here. And then last but not least, since I have this Invisalign, y'all, this has to go everywhere with me. This is my case that my Invisalign goes in, because I never know when I'm gonna have to pop it out, eat or drink something, you know. So as y'all can see, all of those things I just put in here. And I did take advantage of, I don't know if I can get y'all to see it good, but I did take advantage of this top part right here to put my ID and my debit card in. And then there also is another slot, so if I had some money or some change, I can slip that in there as well. So everything that I have in there now fits. So we're gonna take it out. The only thing is, depending on, like right now I have, where's my key ring? The only thing is, right now I have my keys like this, and I have my hand sanitizer in here. I can either clip this to the side of the purse, or take my hand sanitizer out of this to just drop it in my purse. So if I take it out of there and then I put it in here, I'm able to close it, and I would just have to take this off of my key ring to be able to fit my keys in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, just to show y'all that you can really get everything you need in there. You just can't get like extra stuff like this. So if I take that off of my key ring and I put that in my purse, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. and so everything fits. So I do feel like I was able to get a lot of stuff. The only thing I say, if you want to have room to get like a lot of stuff in there, probably wouldn't carry a wallet with this. Probably would just use the card holder, which I didn't even realize that was there until today, because I carried this purse this weekend and didn't even use that. So, but yeah, y'all, if you see everything that I got in here, I'm just gonna show you. I was able to get hand sanitizer, my case for my Invisalign, purse size lotion, oh, my camera's running hot, my mirror, lip gloss, cell phone, keys, and that's hard for me to show you, and my cards. So yeah, y'all, that is going to wrap up this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you are interested in getting this purse, y'all, I don't want to, you know, make you keep spending your coin, but when I tell you, if you like the other purse, you would definitely like this one. Like I said, it comes in some different colors, and then also you can get a lot of stuff in here, and this is a small purse that is of great quality. It could be a statement piece, a nice pop of color with your outfit, depending on what you put on. So I think this purse is perfect. I love it. The only thing that I say is I wish the purse would have retailed for like $2.95 instead of $3.95, because it is half of the size of the other one. I repeat, it is half of the size of the other one. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on my social medias, y'all. I'm starting to post reels on Instagram and all of that. And see y'all on the next one. Bye.
I would like to get to know it.